Imagine writing without stop signs or lane markings. Pure chaos. Advanced punctuation gives you control over that chaos. It's the traffic system for your reader's journey. Think of the semicolon as a smooth, balanced link connecting two closely related thoughts. The colon is a gateway, a grand announcement for what's next, a list or a big explanation. For pure drama, you use the em dash, a sharp, sudden break in thought that demands attention. And parentheses, they're a quiet whisper of extra info. Listen to how these tools bring a dead sentence to life. First, the original. The captain looked at the horizon. He saw three things: a storm, a shark, and a rescue ship. His heart stopped. He was saved at last. Now, with precision, the captain looked at the horizon. He saw three things: a storm, a shark, and a rescue ship. His heart stopped. He was saved at last. Punctuation isn't just about rules, it's about rhythm. It's the power of your voice on the page.